Hey besties, welcome back to the channel. This week I have amazing platforms to share with you. Some I have earned from them, while some I haven't started earning. So if you're the type that always wait for me to start earning before you do something, no problem. You can wait until when I start earning, then I'll come back and share my reviews. But for this week, we're going to be diving into amazing platforms that are paying. And let me be open and honest to you guys. This is not the era of, it's not available in my location. There's VPN. There are lots of free VPN out there you can use that can allow you to sign up from wherever you are. And that is why I started a paid Telegram group where I'll be guiding you through on how to start signing up to these platforms from anywhere in the world. Okay? So the link will be in the description for those of you who want to join the paid Telegram group. So for this video, we're going to be focusing on another amazing platform that is paying people. So this platform, you can actually sign up from anywhere, I believe so. But if you're not able to sign up, you can use VPN. I've told you guys, stop telling me you cannot sign up. Stop telling me it's not available in your location. This year, this time around is not the time for that. If you want to start earning online, you have to find a way to bypass that location issue. All I want you to do is to watch till the end. I've earned $20 from this particular platform, and the amazing part is that you can cash out using Tremendous. So you don't need PayPal for this one, okay? Because I know PayPal is your problem for those of you in Nigeria, but you can cash out via Tremendous. Tremendous is a virtual card that allows you to spend your money online. So you can cash out using virtual cards, Tremendous virtual card, and then use it to shop online on Temu, Shein, Amazon, TikTok Shop. So it's quite amazing. Please give this video a thumbs up because it will help me to keep doing my research and bringing you more videos. And share it with someone. Even if you're not interested, share it with your sister who lives in the UK or the US, even Canada, to make some extra cash for themselves. Alright? If today's your first time, please subscribe and drop first timer. Let me know where to start helping you from. Okay? So let's get started. This is the platform user interviews. I'm not going to go through the sign up phase because it's quite it's gonna take a bit of time. Okay, I'll show you guys a little bit. When you go to userinterviews.com, you're going to see these researcher and participant options. So you're going to go and select participant. Okay, earn money participating in research studies and help shape real products. Researchers create their research projects and then recruit you and I to participate in this project. So you click on participant. So once you click on participant, it should take you to your sign up page where you would begin to enter your basic details, your professional details, product and service details, technical details, security. So because I have done that, I'm not going to be able to show my screen to show my contact information. But yeah, I've done that. And as you can see, it says confirm your work email to finish your professional verification. I haven't really had time to finish this, but that did not limit me from earning. I earned even though I haven't done this. So if you want to be getting more jobs, more research on your profile, make sure you complete this. Find create a work email, okay? Create a work email and then add it here. But if you don't have, leave it like that. I haven't added any and I still made money from this platform. So once you're done, feel free to browse studies. As you can see on my screen, look, they have lots of amazing studies that needs to be completed. This one needs to be completed before 2nd of February. This one needs to be completed before 16th of January. The study format here is in person, depending on your location, over the phone and online. So if you live outside the UK, US and Canada, you should go for online, okay? You don't need the in-person one. Also, the study type here you can see is one-on-one interview, so they can call you up to ask questions and you answer. They will call you on Zoom or Google Meet or whatever platform like that, one-on-one interview. I've done this type of interviews I've done one-on-one, I've done focus group, I've done multi-day study. I've also done this unmoderated task for other platforms. This in-person one, I've done it. Let me talk more about this in-person one. It was such an experience for me, and I was paid £150. So I was just the only black person there. I did it with people from different backgrounds, different ethnicity, different people. It was an amazing experience where we had to come together, taste their whatever they are producing, the food, the cake, the cookies, everything. We tested and we gave our honest reviews. They were trying to bring into the market a new biscuit, and we had to go do testing and give our reviews for the packaging, the tasting, the ingredients and everything. So we did it, and I was paid £150 for 1 hour in central London. So it's an amazing experience. If where you are allows you to do in person, go for it. So for the unmoderated task, they will tell you what to do. It's like a survey, but they will tell you what to do. You do it on your own, at your own time, and submit it. So for this one, they are saying, tell us about one of your favorite hobbies and bring us along while you participate in it. It's an unmoderated task online. We would love to have you join our study. If you qualify, your link will be made available on user interviews. You will be asked to record videos of yourself answering questions, and you can complete the study at any point before the deadline. If you do not submit detailed relevant responses, they may reach out to you via email to ask you to re-record. Whichever test you want to sign up to, you would see the type of device and the type of task you're supposed to complete. So it's a 20-minute task, and this one is going to be paid via PayPal. You can also make your choice from variety of gift card options. Okay, the device they need for this is smartphone. Those are always, asking if they can complete with their phones. Yes, you can. They have lots of tasks for you to complete on your mobile phones. Your audio and video will be recorded during the session. And additional screening, the researcher may follow up via message, email, or phone to confirm if you're fit for the study. Be sure to answer. So all you have to do is to click on participate, and then it says see all the details. So I'm just going to fill up this one to show you how to get started in case you want to sign up to any. Tell us about one of your favorite hobbies and bring us along while you participate in it. I think I need to speak out here. I need to speak out loud. So I will not be able to complete this. I'll do it a little bit later. So this is how it goes for this particular one. So you need a smartphone, audio, video. If you want to complete this one, if you sign up today after watching this video and you want to participate in this one, just leave in the comments. I can always share it with you directly. Yes, you can share a task like this, individual task, to someone directly and have the person go and complete it. So for those of you that are going to join my group, I can always share tasks like this with you, but sometimes you might not be able to find it. I don't know why you guys are not able to find. I can always share opportunities like this with you. This one is sharing your views on laundry and detergent. You're going to use your computer with a webcam, and the pay is $60. This one is $50. Before I forget, if you join my Telegram paid group and you're getting this type of jobs, surveys, or not tasks, and you complete them, you get paid, they can cash it out for you and send it to you in Naira or whatever currency. Yes, if you're in that paid group, these are the benefits you're going to get. If you make money from this type of platforms and you need to cash out, I can help you do that and send you the money. If you're interested, link will be in the description. It's just a chickeny money. You pay the money, sign up, so that you'll be getting amazing benefits. It's not everything that we share on camera because of YouTube policy. I don't know if you understand what I mean. Yeah. So you can see this one is $60. This is $20. They're seeking participants for website feedback study. And you only need either smartphone, a tablet, or computer. This one, they're looking for advertising marketing professionals. and the pay is $250. I know that some of you have, qualifications like this. You have skills like this that you need to showcase. Even though you're not able to get remote jobs, you can showcase them here and cash out. You only need computer with a webcam. You can start from somewhere. If you start earning from here, before you know it, you graduate and buy yourself a laptop, because I will not lie to you, laptop is the best when it comes to this sort of things. When it comes to earning online, your computer is your best bet. And this one is IT professionals wanted 150. Let us know your thoughts on these offers. Paying $25. Okay, and it's only 23 minutes. 23 minutes and you get paid $25. $25 is nearly 50,000 naira. And some people are earning that in a month. So I think I'll just end this video here. Okay, so feel free, make sure your profile is complete. You can always browse for jobs that you're interested in by the topic. Any topic you're interested in. You can also browse by the dates listed. If you want newest, oldest, highest and lowest incentives, you can go for them. Okay, browse for jobs, select the study format and the study type, then apply. My studies, let me see, paid. Can you see? What does healthy mean to you? Share your thoughts, share your insights. Unmoderated task concluded, conducted online, that lasts 20 minutes and pays $20. It didn't even last up to 20 minutes, but I got paid $20. Let me know. So this is it. Although I've spent the money, so already spent the money. I use it to pay in store, physical store, not online. But you can always use it to shop online in any store that accepts Google Pay. So I added it to my Google Wallet and I was using it there. So just that the phone I'm using to record this video is where my Google Wallet is. I would have shown you guys. So that's it. You can always reach their support team if you have any issues with your incentives or anything at all. Reach out to their support team. This is amazing. I'm not going to lie to you. Let me end this video here. Let me know your thoughts about it. If you have signed up before, if you haven't made any money from there, you are sleeping. You are sleeping. You go and sign up and start earning. So I thought to share this with you guys. Let me know. Don't forget to like this video. It's very important to me. And let me see your comments. If you're my bestie, let me see your comment in the comment below. Alright? Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.